So I got these two trees right here that I want to start a shelter on, and I'm going to make like a lean-to type deal. So I'm going to go with the climate here. It is going to cool off a little bit. I got the breeze coming this way, so we're going to put a lean-to down this way, and we'll probably put a little block right here on this side to keep the wind from coming, set us a little fire out in the middle, keep us nice and toasty tonight. So I got my axe and my saw, I got some cordage, and I got a pair of gloves, and I'm going to start creating this shelter. Now, we got us a good little ridge pole here. So now we're going to start lining some sticks up, throwing some debris on the back. All right, so I got us a Y stick, and now I'm going to measure it out and stick it up on the front beam of the shelter. So basically you just put it upside down, and you're gonna come a couple inches higher. Now, we'll raise this dude up just a touch. There we go. That'll keep it from sagging from any more weight on the, once we put all the leaves and stuff on there. Plus it gives me plenty of room inside the shelter itself to scrape out and use a wool blanket for laying down. I'll save that for something later. What I'm going to do is add leaves all the way down this whole thing, and I put a bunch of cross sticks here just to capture the leaves and keep all the leaves from falling through. So try to get you a good angle to where you can see what's going on right here. That way you can see what I'm actually doing. So the sticks going across, I mean, I got them going up horizontally, vertically, and then I got them horizontally. And the vertically is your support, the horizontally, it just holds all the leaves and stuff like that, gives it more structure for the leaves to hang into. All right, so here, we'll save some of this for something else later this evening. But you can just twist this stuff back and forth and make a stranded rope out of it. And you can just tie off whatever you need tied off. This is just to keep it from slipping. And we'll come around this way a couple times. All right. So we're going to do the same thing, zip it this way. come off like this. A little bit more angle there. There we go. Put this one over here. That way just come around with the shelter or the debris right there to block all the wind from this way. This is seriously cutting into my firewood. Well, a good old catfish would be great right now. There ain't no right way or wrong way. You just gotta make do with what you got. And that's what I always try to do. I always try to make do with what I have. I don't have the latest and greatest and best equipment in the world. You don't need it. Go out and have fun. Go out into the woods, enjoy yourself. That's what it's all about. All right, so what we have here is the master bedroom suite right over here. And then if you go right down the hallway right here, you have your kitchen and your cooking area. And then this is perfect for keeping the wind. Like now the wind's blowing and this is blocking the wind off of me. And so I will be able to set up a good little bed in here. Now the reason I chose this shelter is because in South Mississippi, it's the easiest one to make. And I don't have the unlimited resources of cutting down a bunch of poles and saplings to make this big fort-like structure down here. Now, I did this because it's real quick and real easy. In South Mississippi tonight, the temperature is gonna be in the 50s, so it's gonna be actually pretty comfortable. And you don't have to worry about freezing to death down here. And then, but I got the wind that's been predominantly coming from behind me and from the side, and it's gonna be blocked off. And then I'm gonna make this into a bed with my wool blanket. I got a ground cloth that I brought, a sheet. I just thought about it. I could have been using it the whole time. And I got a sheet and a wool blanket, and that's it.